everyone! For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can download Twitter videos to your gallery. First step, open Twitter on your phone and log in into your account. Once you've opened Twitter, look for the video that you want to save on your phone. You'll see that Twitter doesn't have a button or an option to directly save that video to your gallery. So here's what you can do instead. Press the share button or icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then press the copy link button or icon. Once you've successfully copied the link of the video, you have to open a web browser on your phone. This could be Safari, Google Chrome, or whatever you have installed on your iPhone. In my case, I'll open Safari and in the search tab, I'll search for Twitter Video Downloader. Once you've typed this on the search tab, just press enter and you'll see different options or results where you can download videos from Twitter. Here you can choose whatever website you want to use because all of these does the same thing. So here I'll open a site and on the space I'll paste the link that we copied from Twitter earlier. So this is the link of the video that you want to download from Twitter. Once you've pasted the link, just press download and you can also choose the quality of the video you want to download. In my case, I chose the second option. And if this prompt appears on your screen, just press download. You can check the progress of your download by clicking the download icon at the bottom left corner of your screen near the two A's icon. So just press the download button or icon. Press downloads and here you'll see the progress of your video. So this may take a few minutes or a few seconds. Once the download is complete, just press it and at the bottom left corner of your screen, press the share icon. Here you'll see the option to save video, so just press that and now you have the video saved on your phone. And that's how easy it is to save videos from Twitter on your phone. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.